To achieve the best results when detailing, choosing the right pad is key. But here's a crucial tip. Never rely on just one pad for an entire car. Multiple pads are a must for optimal performance, ensuring your work stays consistent. However, that means cleaning them after each use, and let's be honest, that's not always fun. When your pad becomes loaded with compound or paint residue, its performance will suffer. To clean it, you have a couple of options. If you're in a pinch, use a nylon brush to remove some of the residue while the pad is still attached to the tool. It's not perfect, but it works in the absence of a compressor. If you do have a compressor, use a blowgun to blow out the debris, starting from the center and working outward. Adding a bit of water can help break up stubborn residues and make cleaning more effective. It's essential to clean your pad after every panel to maintain its performance. Also, to manage heat buildup, rotate your pads every 2 panels. After your detailing job is done, place your used pads in a bucket of water to prevent them from drying out. For deep cleaning, machine wash your pads with dye-free detergent and a little white vinegar to remove all compound residues. If you don't have a washing machine, you can hand wash them with mild soap and air dry. Just be sure to dry them properly, either by air drying or tumble drying on low heat. Don't worry if your pads discolor over time. That's completely normal, as long as all residues are thoroughly removed. By following these tips, your pads will stay in top condition and deliver optimal performance for longer.